Hey, here we go again. I'm gonna do IXL Math H6. It is subtraction word problems. So I looked on IXL and they have beautiful, colorful pictures with this one. And I'm not quite as artistic, but I'll do my best. And I think in some of them too on IXL, they can actually be interactive. You can move the critters, which is always fun. So we have 3 flowers. Here I drew my picture. And here's my word problem. So a lot of times with word problems, it's a lot easier when you draw the picture. So if I just had the words, it could be done, but it's very helpful when you draw the picture and the number sentence. So I'm going to do that with this one. Sue had 3 flowers. She picked one for her mom. How many flowers are still left in the garden? First thing, I read the problem. Second thing, I go through and I circle or underline the number words. So I read the problem. Now I'm going to go back through again, 1, to make sure I understand it, and 2, to find the number words. Sue had 3 flowers. She picked 1 for her mom. How many flowers are still left? How many are left in the garden? So usually the first 2 sentences in a word problem are your number words. And then you have your question. So then your question will tell you if you are adding or if you are subtracting. And then later on in life, it'll tell you if you're multiplying or dividing or so on and so forth. Right now, this one is telling me to subtract. She picked. So that action word of picked means something was removed from the area. A flower was taken from the other flowers. So I have 3 flowers. 1, 2, 3. She picked 1. So I'm going to eliminate 1 of the flowers for her mom. She picked 1 for her mom. How many flowers are still left in the garden? So then I have 1, 2. 2 are left in the garden. So is my answer 2? And that's it? 2 elephants? 2 books? 2 pencils? Always label your work. 2 flowers. Always label your answer, because in math, it is very yes or no, black or white right now. Again, later on in life, it'll get more difficult, but in first grade, it's a yes or a no. 2 flowers makes it crystal clear what you're talking about. I have a number, which is my answer, and I have a label, which tells me what we're talking about.